Still have a shelf full of DVDs but nowhere to play them? Keeping your physical media accessible is all about digitization. Today I'm going to show you how to use DVD Decrypter to rip a physical DVD for free. Stick around because instead of just copying the whole bloated disc, I'm going to show you the main movie only trick using IFO mode. Let's dive in. Step 1. Preparation, loading, and selecting the mode. First, ensure you have DVD Decrypter installed on your PC. It natively bypasses CSS encryption, user operation prohibitions, and region codes, so some commercial DVDs will work right out of the box without any extra patches or plugins. Once ready, pop your DVD into your computer's optical drive. Open DVD Decrypter. The software will automatically analyze your drive. Look at the top menu bar and click on the Mode menu. From the drop-down list, you will see three choices: File, ISO, and IFO. File mode simply copies every raw folder from the disk to your PC, leaving you with a mess of split files. ISO mode creates a one-to-one identical digital clone of the entire disk, including menus and ads. But today we are using IFO mode. This is the smartest choice because it reads the disk as index and automatically selects only the main movie, throwing away unskippable ads and previews to save gigabytes of space. Go ahead and click Mode, then select IFO. Step 2, the secret setting, File Splitting, None. Go to the top menu and click Tools, then select Settings. In the window that pops up, navigate to the IFO Mode tab. Look for the section called File Splitting. By default, it might be set to Auto or 1 gigabyte. Click the drop-down and change it to None. While you are here, ensure Patch IFO File is checked, then click OK at the bottom to save. By setting this to None, DVD Decrypter will stitch the whole movie into one single video file on your hard drive. Step 3. Stream Selection and Output Path. Back on the main screen, you'll notice the software has automatically checked the longest track on the right. That's your main feature film. You don't have to manually hunt for it. If you want to be precise, you can check the Stream Processing tab here to see the audio and subtitle tracks, but leaving it on default ensures you get the core movie soundtrack. Next, we need to tell the software where to put your final file. Go to the destination field below, click the small yellow folder icon, and choose a path on your hard drive with at least 5 to 8 gigabytes of free space. Now look at the bottom left. You'll see that big graphic icon showing the physical DVD pointing to a hard drive. Click it to start the process. Step 4, the rip and troubleshooting. The progress bars are now moving, reading the decrypted sectors straight from your disk drive. Because we changed that file splitting setting to None, it is writing everything into one beautifully consolidated video stream. Just let it run until you hear the iconic success chime. Keep in mind, because this is a legendary classic tool, it might struggle with some late-era modern Disney or Sony discs that use complex 99-title structural protections. If you hit a stubborn disk that locks up this software, you'll need a modern alternative. I highly recommend WinX DVD Ripper. It bypasses modern encryption seamlessly and handles almost any complex DVD layout in just 4 simple steps into a highly compressed MP4. If you have a stubborn disk, check the link in the description below to give it a try. And that's it. Your physical DVD is now a clean, single, high-quality digital movie file. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech guides.